Welcome to this video on directions in Japanese. We will learn the words for right, left, up, and down. The Japanese word for right is
右、右、右、右、
The Japanese word for left is
左、左、左、左、
The Japanese word for up is
上、上、上、上、
The Japanese word for down is
下、下、下、下、
Remember the four directions
右、左、上、下。
Now, let's learn some locations. This is a cake shop in Japanese.
ケーキ屋さん、ケーキ屋さん、ケーキ屋さん、ケーキ屋さん。
This is a house in Japanese.
家、家、家、家。
This is a fire station in Japanese.
消防署、消防署、消防署、消防署。
This is a park in Japanese.
公園、公園、公園、公園。
This is a flower shop in Japanese.
花屋さん、花屋さん、花屋さん、花屋さん。
Imagine you are lost. You need to ask for directions.
ケーキ屋さん、どこですか？どこですか？どこですか？どこですか？家、どこですか？消防署、どこですか？公園、どこですか？花屋さん、どこですか？
Remember the key phrase for asking for a location?
どこですか？
Meaning, where is it? You can combine the location name with
どこですか？
to ask for a specific place. Practice asking for the shop's location. This video has helped you learn basic Japanese directions and how to ask for locations. Continue practicing these words to improve your Japanese skills. Let's review the directions one last time.
右、左、上、下。